Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the Michelin Airless tires. It was the company used to produce the airless tires and fix it on the vehicle such as Chevrolet Bolt. That was a company under the General Motors, and it is a collaboration project for the Michelin and General Motors. So let's get into this video. This airless tire was first developed by the Michelin, and it is named as a Tweel airless tire in 2005. The Tweel name comes from the tire and the wheel, so that it comes and derived as a Tweel. The Tweel hub connects to the flexible polyurethane spokes. These polyurethane spokes only support the outer rim, and when the car moves on the bumpy roads, it expands and contracts so that it will not able to deform, so that in the correct nature. So the airless tire, or called as a non-pneumatic tires, are not supported by the air pressure, and it contains the three parts, that is the wheel and flexible spokes made of the polyurethane and thread. These are the three major components of this airless tire. Then its design consists of the wheel consists of the four parts, that is the outer cable reinforced band of conventional tire rubber with molded thread, and second one is the shear band, creates a compliant contact patch. Then the third one is the spokes, that is the polyurethane spokes that absorb the energy, and finally the central hub for the connection to the axle. These are all the major parts. So how it works: when the wheel moves over the bumpy roads, these polyurethane flexible spokes absorbs the energy and it deforms, so that it will absorb the some amount of energy, and when the wheel is rotated, it transmits the energy and gains um, its original position, so that it will not able to break. So that only we have used this flexible polyurethane spokes. Then it is the deformation of a tire on an obstacle. Let's see this. When it goes on the obstacle, its spokes only absorb the energy, and when it rotates to the next cycle, it regains its original property. Then design approach: these airless tires can also be imparted in many of the um, movers such as NASA's Apollo lunar rover and Michelin car tires. Then Bridgestone, they uses a different technology of a different pattern of airless tires and resilient technologies, etc. So what are all the advantages of these Michelin airless tires, or generally airless tires? It eliminates the air leaks and no maintenance required, and it will not puncture or some holes will not become, and it facilitates recycling and remains mobile, durability and long life. It can also take a gunfire or an explosion. Consider, if a air tire or a pneumatic tire is undergoes a gunfire or an explosion, the tire will burst and the vehicle will able to tend to roll over. But in case of the airless tires, if the gunfire is customed on this airless tire, it will take the bullet will entraps into the spokes only, so that the vehicle cannot be suffers from a severe damage, and it can be a less environmental impact. So some of the tires will have the disadvantages also, that is the lack of adjustability. If you are going on some terrain roads, it will able to slow down the vehicle, and we require more amount of force to overcome the bumpy roads in the mountains or steepy slopes. And the vibration due to this flexible polyurethane spokes means, because if we go on roads, the vibrations will happen in these types of the airless tires, and different manufacturing technique is required, and it is not as economic because a different manufacturing technique is required, so that a well designed to be imparted to make this design process, and some human workers or skilled workers to be trained for making this tires, etc. So applications where it can be used, it can be used in a lawn mowers, backhoe or bulldozers, then military vehicles and terrain vehicles. So what will be the future design? The future design will be of a spider web design, that is a Hankook eye flex. Its aim is to minimum the loss of the power in the vehicles and recyclable. So these are all the details about the airless tires, or called as non-pneumatic tires. So these are the short video about the airless tires, friends. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. So thank you for watching.